We're on part 10, 408-357A. That's the way you put it back in. You push it up and you start putting it in from the bottom. All right, if you ever got this job, you gotta make sure you gotta take this out, so you don't have to take the radiator out. Matter of fact, it's a lot easier than pulling the radiator. Other than pulling the radiator out, you have to drain the coolant. It is a lot easier. For myself, I'm gonna record myself doing this so you're gonna get an idea. Put it up. You got space here. Up, squeeze in. Up and squeeze in. It's already all in. The reason we put this, because this goes first, this won't go in. This has to go in. And you leave it flat, and then we're gonna work a way to put this back. Nice and flat. Push back a little bit, and you turn it. One log in, then you can rotate the back, and you see it's already in. Just recording this so I don't miss a step. You might be struggling trying to put them one by one, but you just put one or two, or just one on this side, and then you rotate it so it goes in. It's already in. Almost messed up a finger, so now we're gonna wrestle to it to put it in there. All right, let's get it. So you have to wrestle with this little ball. It's a mission. Once you play with it, it's gonna go over this. Take your time. All right, just showing you step by step so you don't freak out. The tricky part that I remember, once you get in there, you gotta get at least one of those inside. Once you do that, you can play with the fan. The fan has to go in order for you to put it together. So you gotta make sure those goes inside the fan. Mentioned, once you put this bolt in, this other side has to go in the middle, so you can push as much of that way. Once you do that, you hold it with one hand and then the other one from the top, because if you do it from the bottom, it moves a lot. The top's a lot easier. Now this in, we're gonna push it forward. It'll be a lot easier to put it back to a line. Your right hand and wibble it, because this is gonna move this heavy piece, and then you get in the holes. We're almost done. All you gotta do is lift it up, put it there. I'm gonna tell you, I think this is gonna be just one video, putting fan clutch. Already aligned. I went and fixed this before I put it all the way in there so I can put the holes. Once it was ready lined up, I went to the top and I grabbed it from the top and push it up. Put one, no washers, because you're gonna once it's lined up, you're gonna take them out and put blue Loctite, but just so it doesn't come out. Once you secure the bottom, you grab this and you wobble it, it goes in, but it won't go out because you already put the bolts. All right, now we're gonna put them with blue Loctite and lock them up. Push forward, take them out, blue Loctite.